Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am unboxing DateBox Club. So I don't know if you're like me whatsoever, but it has been crazy hectic here. We've been running around between moving from Houston to San Antonio, selling a house, buying a house, Thanksgiving, Christmas. I just feel like we've done a million and one things recently. When I realized we really haven't set much time aside for us to go on a date. And I remembered I had my September date box waiting, so I ran and grabbed it. Jonathan's actually over replacing the doorknobs on the garage, so I thought I'll unbox it live with you guys so we can check it out, and then we're going to go on a date. That is one of the beautiful things about the subscription box is it comes every month. However, if you don't end up using it, it's not like it goes anywhere. So I'm totally going to look like I'm prepared. DateBox Club is a date in a box. They ship every month, and the boxes start about $35 a month, but you can get it as low as $29 by just pre-purchasing your boxes. They ship them out the second week. I believe it's the second week. That's about when I get mine, is towards the end. And it has everything you need inside. So let me show you this. The branding is different now. They used to be two little birds. Now I think they're like a diamond-shaped heart. I'll try to link that up. But so you open this guy, and then you find out about your date here. Hey, Melanie from Maryland. See if we can hook us up with a cool date tonight. Okay. This one says, let's head south of the border. And it has everything we need for a south of the border date. That's cute, and how appropriate for just moving to San Antonio. And then on the back, it has how to set up, how to make the tortillas, and a fun game to connect called Spin the Pepper. Oh my gosh, that is really cute. DateBox Club is a very budget friendly. Like I said, for $35 you can have an entire date with everything included. They curate and craft each one of the boxes every month. I haven't had one yet that I needed anything outside of something basic like water or ice. There's no commitment. You can skip months. You can subscribe. And then if you don't find it to be a match for you, or you know you're going to be out of town for the next couple of months, put it on pause. It's really a great way to reconnect with nobody having the pressure of having to plan the actual date. Okay, so I got good old-fashioned maize. That's cool. I don't know that I've ever bought this before. And then, here, I'll show y'all like this. Salsa. This is so appropriate for San Antonio, y'all. I did not have a clue what was in this box. Then the cards for the game, which inside there's a fake red pepper. And then the cards. Let me read you some of these cards. So here are the cards called Spin the Pepper. Oh, so you put the cards in a circle and you put the pepper in the center and you spin it for the game. This one says, you must remove an item of clothing from your partner. This one says, kiss for 30 seconds. This one says, make your partner blush. How cute. There's a bunch of them here. So we have Spin the Pepper game. And then the rest of our ingredients, I guess, the bags. And look at this. There is an entire freaking tortilla press in here, y'all. How cool. So then it has everything you need to do, like how to mix, how to fry them up, and then how to snack on them while you play your game for $35, y'all. This is an easy 2-hour date. How cool. I mean, DateBox Club, this is so neat. So y'all, like I said, check them out. I'm going to link below in the comments and in my bio information about the box and how you can subscribe. But their partner, let's see, is no longer the two, their logo is no longer the two little birdies. It is actual, like a diamond in a heart shape. I'll see if I can pull a photo of that for y'all. Okay, DateBox Club, super cool. I'm going to put this all back together and run it over to Jonathan, and we're going to go on a date real quick. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye, y'all.